Hello to each one of you again. It is day 3. It's hard to believe that we're in the 3rd day already. And we're just so excited to keep bringing these videos to you. Today was probably one of the most memorable trips in a long, long time. You'll see in the video we got a lot of
rain, which created a lot of mud.
And we got rained out for about an hour. We waited and got wet and all our tools got messed up. And then we started working and tried to go home. And then what happened?
We headed home. Before we even went home to where we're staying, we got stuck at the job site.
The big truck got stuck. We spent a long time.
The van got stuck.
Trying to push that out. The van got stuck. And then we drove home, which we already have an hour and 45 minutes to get back to where we're staying. And then our vehicle, we got out and we started driving and we went for almost an hour. And we had to turn around because we got stuck again. And how long would it take this to get back here?
I'm not quite sure.
Over 3 hours.
3 hours.
So it's been a rough day and we're tired, but you know what? The team is resilient. Thank you, Petra Church, for sending an amazing team. And this is 55 plus team. And also River Church sending 2 from River Church. And it was amazing. We got a lot of work done and we're hoping that we can wrap up tomorrow, but we're asking the Lord to keep the rain away. But you'll see a lot of rain, a lot of mud, a lot of challenges we faced, but God was faithful. And
He's seen us through.
We're back. So keep watching. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for support. And please, someday you come and be a part of this team. So also our banquet's coming up here on March the 26th. And it will be where?
It'll be at Shady Maple, and it's our 7th year anniversary.
Amen. But you have to sign up. And but we'd love to see you there. We will be back in America from March the 26th to see you at the banquet. Self-driving. We have self-driving vans in Africa.